What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys the best, fastest, and safest way to wash the exterior of your vehicle. Behind me is a 1965 Ford Mustang, and what you're going to be needing is a pressure washer, water of course, a foam cannon, a wash mitt, soap, and you're going to need an Ego leaf blower, and you're going to need a really good drying towel. Did I miss anything? Yeah, that's it, guys. And don't forget, guys, everything that I mentioned is going to be in the description below. I attached a link to everything that you need. All right, let's get started. Guys, so first things first, I'm going to be putting on my gloves, which you can find in the description below. Honestly, these are the best gloves I've ever had. Look at this. Hopefully it doesn't break on camera, but yeah, these are some really good gloves. You can find these down in the description below. I promise you, these are probably going to be the best gloves, disposable gloves that you'll ever get. And it's for a really, really good price. The link is going to be down below, and it's for Amazon. All right, so first things first, we're going to start with the rims and the tires. I like to spray my solution starting with the tires and then the rims. And this product that's in here, you can find in the description below as well. And now I'm just going to be scrubbing the tires. Make sure these white walls look really nice when I'm done. And then the chrome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I want you guys to comment down below what you guys want to see in the next video, and if you have any questions. All right, so once that's out of the way, we're going to pressure wash it. All right, let's get it. All right, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First things first, use the pressure washer, and we're gonna pressure wash the exterior of the vehicle and get off any debris or dirt or possible like rocks or that could possibly damage the surface when you start working on it. So what you want to also do is start from top to bottom. I haven't started on the doors. Everything I'm doing is starting from the top. And what you want to do is work your way and push it off to the other side. And then once you push everything on the other side, you can start working on this side with the doors. As you can see, this vehicle is actually really dirty. It hasn't been washed in a couple months, but yeah. And also when you're doing the doors, make sure you're going with gravity. So you're going down like this. That's going with gravity, so everything gets pushed down. All right, next step is the foam cannon. So right here is MJJC, I believe, foam cannon. Yep, I think that's what it's called. It's going to be in the description below. There's going to be a link in the description below for this foam cannon. There's the soap that I use is also in the description below. And yeah, just fill it, do a little bit of soap and fill it with water, and let's get started. So again, I start working from the top to bottom when I do my foam cannon. Honestly, with this part of the process, it's really up to you how you apply the soap. All right. All right, so once you put once you apply the soap on the car with the foam cannon, a very important step is the washment, using the washment. You can also find this in a link for this in the description below. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pressure wash this washment to get any possible dirt that was left over on this from the previous vehicle. And that way we don't harm the paint of this vehicle. Oh, this kind of starting to fall out. All right, so once you clean the washment so that there's no dirt in it, we're gonna just start working my way from the top to bottom. And also, guys, I forgot to mention, these gloves that I'm using are probably the best gloves on the market for the price. These black disposable gloves. I put a link in the description below for you guys to get them. Trust me, they're really good. All right, so again, we're back with the washing. So again, from top to bottom is how we want to work. Remember, guys, you want to work with gravity, and you basically are kind of like pushing everything to the floor. And because I verified there's no, some people, they like to use this 2-bucket method. To be honest, I think that's a waste of time, especially if you see that the vehicle doesn't have any rocks in it or it's like not super contaminated. You're fine with this process. Just make sure you clean the washment. All right, so now we're gonna start with the sides. And now we're at the hood. And what I like to do, guys, is save the front bumper for last, just because the front bumper is the most dirtiest part. That way you don't get your washment super dirty and then start scrubbing on that dirt on the vehicle. So I've been using this side of the washment. What I'm gonna do is flip it. Now I can use the other clean side. And then again, the roof. Front windshield. And the hood again. And then we could work the sides. The doors. And of course, guys, the faster you actually manually work your hands, the faster you're going to get this job done. All right, so everything is done. The best for last is the front bumper. Like I said, again, we're saving the front bumper for last because that is where possible like bugs and all the dirt starts hitting the car first. So we save that for last so we don't contaminate or use that contamination on the washment and then just start spreading it all over the vehicle. We save that for last. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Comment what you would like to see in the next video. All right, guys, so once we're done hand washing with that mitt, which you can find everything again in the description below. Now we repeat the process that we started with. We push off everything off the top first and use gravity to push the water down. All right, guys, so once you pressure wash all the soap off the vehicle, we're gonna go with the next step, which is the Ego leaf blower, which you can find in the description below. All right, guys, so this is the Ego leaf blower. Perfect for getting all the water or majority of the water off the vehicle as fast as possible. Again, you can find this in this description below. I put a link for it. It's called the Ego leaf blower. And yeah, let's get started. Oh, I also forgot to mention that this short nozzle is also in the description below as well. It makes it safer for the vehicle, but also makes it easier to get up close to the vehicle. This right here is a rubber ring, so it also protects against possible scratches. All right, let's get started. So what I want to do is start from the top to the bottom using gravity as well for everything, and then also I like to get the rims along the way. Don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe. All right, guys, so once I finished leaf blowing or air blowing, whatever you want to call it, the vehicle, we're gonna now start with a drying towel. Now, I'll put a link in the description below for the best drying towel to make this easier for you. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start, I like to start with the windows first, just because that kind of stuff smudges at the end if you have too much water. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, so once we finish getting all the windows, now we start with the top. And let's get the other top. And now let's get the paint. Oh, one important thing, guys. One important thing is another safe method when drawing your vehicle is you want to go in straight lines when drawing. You don't want to be drawing like this. So I'll show you right now. So you want to draw like this, straight. Or if you can see on this side, you want to draw in straight patterns like this, or you could draw like this. All right. That way you don't make swirls into the paint. All right, and next step, guys, is getting the door jambs. What I like to do is now flip the towel to the other side, the drier side now, and start getting the door jambs. For the trunk, we want to get the jambs as well, so it doesn't drip through the back when you're driving off. And there you have it, guys. We are all done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, everything I mentioned in the video is in the description below. And we'll see you in the next one.